Welcome. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to open your activity page on Instagram using your PC, especially with the latest updates. If you've been looking for a way to track your interactions and activities on Instagram without using your phone, you're in the right place. Let's get started. First, open Instagram on your computer. You can do this by launching your preferred web browser and navigating to the Instagram website. Make sure you log in with your account credentials if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, look to the left menu of the screen. Here, you'll find various icons and options. The next step is to click on the More icon, which appears as 3 horizontal dots near the bottom of the menu. This will expand a drop-down menu with additional options for you to explore. From this drop-down, you'll want to choose Your Activity. Clicking this option will take you to a dedicated page that showcases all your recent activity on Instagram. This includes everything from posts you've liked, comments you've made, and even the time spent on the platform. Navigating through your activity page is straightforward. You'll see different sections categorized for easy access. This feature is particularly useful for those who want to keep track of their engagement or simply reminisce about their past interactions. In summary, accessing your activity page on Instagram via PC is a breeze with just a few steps. Open Instagram, click on the More icon in the left menu, and select Your Activity. Now you can stay updated on all your Instagram interactions right from your desktop. So there you have it. A simple guide to accessing your activity log on Instagram through your PC. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on navigating social media effectively. Happy Instagramming!